So the last recipe that I like to make in my day before I go to sleep is a golden milk latte. And not only is this latte a really good sleep aid, this is going to help you to get and stay asleep. It also has some good fats in it. It is anti-inflammatory and it is hormone healthy. So let me talk you through the recipe and the specific ingredients that I use. I have some coconut milk heating up here. I don't want it to boil. I want it to just, where it has a few bubbles around the side of it, just want it to be warmed up. You can use any kind of coconut milk or any kind of nut milks, just not soy and not dairy milk. So this is just about done. I'm going to turn that off. And again, I'm using my blender. Now you can just mix all of these things together in a mug and be done with it, or you can turn it into a latte like I'm going to do. So it just adds one extra step, but I think it's worth it though, because it makes it really nice and creamy. Since I poured that in here, I've got, again, my extra virgin raw coconut oil. I'm gonna pour in here about half a tablespoon, give or take. And then I'm gonna put some turmeric in here, organic turmeric. What I love about this brand, you can actually find this on the shopping list below in the resources section. What I love about this is it gives 600 milligrams of organic turmeric, but it's combined with organic black pepper. And the thing is, in order to be really effective with turmeric, it needs to be paired with black pepper, but a lot of conventional black pepper that you just get out of your salt and pepper shakers is contaminated with mold. And so the reason why I love using this turmeric black pepper is I can be pretty sure that it's not mold contaminated because it's coming in capsule form. Now you can just swallow these down during the day if you want to, but what I like to do is at night I like to just take one of these and break it open into my golden milk. So turmeric is really the main star here of this drink for us at night. It is highly anti-inflammatory. I also want to put just some standard cinnamon, ground cinnamon. This is amazing for your hormone balance, especially if you have PCOS. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of cinnamon in here. I want to get quite a lot. I know a teaspoon sounds like a lot of cinnamon, but... And then I'm also just using some, this is a brand called Good Health. I'm just going to use some ground ginger, and I'm going to use about a half of a teaspoon here. I want this is especially good in the winter, nice warming tonic. So many spices. Okay, I think that is it. So just like we did when we did the butter coffee, we're gonna make an emulsion out of this by using the blender. I like to give it a good shake. You can already see it's kind of a nice golden yellow color. Blending it for about 10 seconds. Okay. And just like we did for the butter coffee, you can give it a little swirl. You can tap it on the countertop a few times to get rid of a lot of those bubbles. And make it nice and smooth and creamy. I'm just going to pour it in my mug. See how nice and golden that is? Make sure you get all the way down at the bottom so you get all those spices. And then as a little extra treat, I'm going to put a piece of a cinnamon stick and stick it right in there. So that's what we've got. I'm going to lay in bed, read my book, and do my gratitude journal. And then I'm also going to have one more thing for the day. So you've seen everything that I've put in my mouth today. The very last thing is 1 square of dark chocolate. This is Costa Rican 71% dark chocolate, and it's certified organic and fair trade. I like to make sure that I'm getting a chocolate that's at least 70%. My favorite and what I prefer is 85% or higher because the sugar count is a lot lower. Yeah, you want to make sure that when you look in the ingredients in the back that sugar isn't the first. And if you can find I don't have access to it here in Malta really, but I know Trader Joe's and Whole Foods have a lot of different chocolates that are a really good cocoa counts, like 75 and above or 85 and above, and are sweetened with erythritol, stevia, or xylitol instead of sugar, so that's even better. So I'm gonna have my golden milk. The key, I find, especially with portion control, is to make sure that rather than taking the whole bar with me, I just get myself one square and then the bar goes back in the fridge. All right, off to bed. See you in the morning.